Hey, good morning. I'm Tom Wenz, Chief of Communications and External Affairs for VA Northeast Ohio, and we're really excited to be here today despite the rain. The VA is hosting Summer Vet Fest at locations around the country to bring awareness of all of our services, especially those now available to those veterans who were exposed to toxins that were previously ineligible for VA healthcare. So because now the chances are that you're now eligible to take advantage of the PACT Act. This is a celebration of our veterans, and to start, we're going to begin with the traditional military manner. So I now ask that you please stand as you're able and remain standing as we post the colors and present our national anthem.
Color guard! Halt! Order! Colors! Ready! Head! Left! Face! Harry! Colors! Dietrich! Breathe in! Up! Ready! Head! Breathe in! Head!
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Order! Colors! Dietrich! Ready! Order! Arch! Right! Face! Port! Colors! Dietrich! Ball out! Forward! Forward!
Hey, thanks to the cadets of Ellett Community Learning Center Navy Junior ROTC for posting the colors. And thanks to First Class Petty Officer retired Joseph Greco for singing the national anthem. Petty Officer Greco is also a naval science instructor for the Ellett CLC JROTC. It's now my distinct pleasure to introduce the Executive Director for the VA Northeast Ohio Healthcare System, Jill Dietrich Melon.
Thank you, Tom. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and it's such an extreme pleasure to welcome you here today for our inaugural Vet Fest here in Akron. I'm so happy to see you all here today. I know that the weather has been challenging right now, but I really feel like we're getting through it at this point, and hopefully the worst of it is behind us. So today is really about celebrating all of our remarkable veterans and your families, because you all have given so much for this country. So that is what today is about today. To our veterans, your bravery, dedication, and sacrifice are beyond words. You have faced challenges and overcome obstacles with the strength that inspires us all. We are here today to celebrate you, to honor your service, and to show immense gratitude for everything that you have done for our freedom here in the United States. To the families of our veterans, Your mission is equally critical, and your commitment has been a pillar of strength for your loved ones who have served. We recognize and appreciate all of the sacrifices you have made here as well. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in the festivities. So just enjoy the delicious food and take part in the activities planned. They really were planned with you, our veterans, and families in mind. So this is your day to relax, connect with other fellow veterans, visit our vendors and informational displays, and most importantly, learn about the benefits that you have earned. We want you to not only be educated today, but we really want you to have fun. So really, it's all about connecting, it's about engaging, it's about getting to know one another, it's about getting to trust us and to be here and to be part of the VA and to be part of these celebrations. So we really do thank you for coming, and we want to continue to strive to give you the exceptional health care that you deserve. So let's make this a joyful celebration of our shared commitment and camaraderie. So thank you again for your service, and thank you for being here.
Thanks, Jill. Now please welcome to the podium the medical director for the Akron Community-Based Outpatient Clinic, Dr. Santi Alami.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us here today at the Akron Summer Fest, even though it doesn't feel like summer. I'm Dr. Santi Alami, Medical Director at the Akron VA Community-Based Outpatient Clinic. It's my honor today to welcome you to the Akron Summer Fest. This summer, VA is hosting events for our veterans all over the country, and we are the largest health system in this country. We're also hosting in Washington, D.C., Puerto Rico, to inform veterans and their families about their benefits and about the PACT Act and how to help them access the care that they deserve and that they've earned after years of service. On behalf of the VA Northeast Ohio healthcare system, we are excited to host this event. I wanted to boast some local statistics about our Akron VA clinic. Did you know that there are 9.1 million veterans enrolled in our VA healthcare system? And locally in Akron, we have 20,675 patients. Average daily appointments here in our clinic boast 336 visits. Average monthly lab visits are in excess of 2,000 visits. Fiscal year 2023 boasts a whopping 137,954 visits. We have 13 primary care providers here, including physicians and nurse practitioners. We have 65 nursing staff, including RNs, LPNs. Mental health staff to help us daily are 17 trained mental health professionals and administrative staff, 41 that are here to support you. We're invested in the Akron community. We are a 5-star rated facility by CMS, Medicare and Medicaid. Our surgical and medical services here include primary care, mental health for daily warm handoffs so that the veterans that come in with acute mental health issues can be seen the same day. We have orthopedics, podiatry, urology, cardiology, chiropractic care, physical therapy, and occupational therapy. We also have on-site labs and radiology so you can get them done on the same day as your appointment. We have a transitional care program which communicates with outside hospitals so that when the veterans are admitted to outside hospitals, we have nurse practitioners and providers that see them to make sure that nothing is missed during their hospital stay and when they return home. We do have a new infusion center here at the annex so that veterans don't have to commute to Wake Park. We also plan to expand this wonderful clinic, and we hope to have a larger Akron Health Center in a couple of years. Personally, I'm invested in serving veterans because my husband did serve the U.S. Army for 11 years, and I have 2 children, product of Walter Reed, and the care I received from TRICARE. I am a board-certified physician in internal medicine, and I also have interest in geriatric care. So I do have American Board of Post-Acute Long-Term Care certification as well. Today would not be possible without all of you participating and the hard work of many people that did months of efforts to try to make this event a success. I'd like to personally thank Wira Garnaga, Marissa Augustine, Chelsea Anderson, Megan Anderson, and Hannah Jordan. We have a fun-filled day of activities here, and in spite of the weather, thank you for showing up. There are many resources and benefits that the booths will explain for you. Thank you again for being here and joining us today. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do to assist you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Alagasarmi. So as a vet and a patient, I'll tell you, I've never gotten better health care than I get with the VA Northeast Ohio, and I want every vet to get their health care with us. We've got a lot of great information, as Dr. A said, care providers standing by for anybody who's not already in the system, and benefit specialists and more. So be sure to visit everyone for our vets that are here inside and out. So come on out, and of course, free food, which we know that veterans love, all right? Free food and lots of other fun activities. So once again, welcome, and let's get started.